How to set up the feature of Find My Device on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly scroll down in the notification bar. Then after you will see at the top left corner setting gear icon. Simply click on it. Once you are in the setting, check your network connection first. Connect your mobile device with a Wi-Fi. Then go to settings, go to Google. At the top, simply choose the option of Google account. Then after, simply log in with your Gmail account. In Gmail, go to privacy and security. Then after, click on Find My Device. Turn that feature on. After you do, you can simply turn on the feature of location so that the feature works. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.